Coming from the pure nature of the upper Austrian countryside, Pematex International has been bringing sustainable solutions for over 100 years. Since 1919, it has been the extraordinary customer orientation, expert technical know-how, and outstanding quality of our products which has made the company prosperous and has always been creating happiness amongst all the stakeholders for 3 generations. In the past years, we became one of the leaders of the European flooring market, offering innovative designer flooring, exclusive carpets, and our special WEARMAX High-Performance Ceramic Coating, the best solution for sustainable renovation of old floors. These days, having more information and better understanding, we have shifted our priorities towards a more sustainable future. The personal aspirations of our employees are all about transforming the market to being greener. We believe that the road to more ecological market is built from innovative products which are delivered in an agile way while listening to and empowering our employees and by keeping the amazing family-like team spirit that we have at Pematex. Pematex International. We think in solutions.